What man is happy? He who has a healthy body, a resourceful mind, and a docile nature. The most difficult thing in life is to know yourself. Nothing is more active than thought, for it travels over the universe, and nothing is stronger than necessity, for all must submit to it. Time is the wisest of all things that are, for it brings everything to light. Necessity is the strongest of things, for it rules everything. Hope is the only good that is common to all men. Those who have nothing else possess hope still. The past is certain, the future obscure. God is the most ancient of all things, for he had no birth. Intellect is the swiftest of things, for it runs through everything. I did not become a father because I am fond of children. There are three attributes for which I am grateful to fortune: that I was born, first, human and not animal; second, man and not woman; and third, Greek and not barbarian. All things are from water, and all things are resolved into water. A multitude of words is no proof of a prudent mind. We live not, in reality, on the summit of a solid earth, but at the bottom of an ocean of air. One who is healthy in body, resourceful in soul, and of a readily teachable nature. I will be sufficiently rewarded if, when telling it to others, you will not claim the discovery as your own, but will say it was mine. If there is neither excessive wealth nor immoderate poverty in a nation, then justice may be said to prevail. As brightness is to rustiness, so labor excelleth idleness. Many words are not proof of the wise man, because the sage only talk when it's needed, and the words are measured and corresponding with the need. Avoid doing what you would blame others for doing. Place is the greatest thing, as it contains all things. Take time by the forelock. Hope is the most universal of human possessions. Placing your stick at the end of the shadow of the pyramid, you made by the sun's rays 2 triangles, and so proved that the pyramid was to the stick as the shadow of the pyramid to the shadow of the stick.